Clive, I've had a brilliant idea. I'm making a meditation track to the soothing sound of the koala. They're all the rage on the internet at the moment. Cue meditation music. The adorable Joey squeaks. And now some general koala talking. I think you're right, Clive. That one's not so relaxing. I might have to get rid of that one. Let's see what's next. Yeah, definitely shouldn't add mating calls. Maybe koala sounds aren't that relaxing. We're still cute though. For more fun facts about Aussie wildlife, make sure you follow our channel.